The sun a-stirring, nudge the curtain back, a window unlatching, a robin in hymn, the back door ajar, out back, a daffodil or two, a blackbird in poem, a cheek sunblast, a washing line cast, and a garden brew. Daisies trail the garden way, past a Labrador chilled, a bird bath joy spilled, and winter scraps turn thrift. Golden bees and skipping wings uplift. The grass sprues, daisy chains and dandelion clocks play. A swallow home cools, and the blues drift. Inspired and started by the line, a washing line cast, as I finished pegging out washing on the first drying weather day of the year. Thank you for watching and listening to Blues Drift, One Spring Day, by me, Poem Kim. Was this poem a thumbs up or a thumbs down?